How are you and Boom Boom right now today? You, Boom Boom, and Mr. Vegas. What's the relationship with you guys like today?
Well, me and Boom Boom, the last time I see him down in Florida, and me and him and Harry buck up, run our next part in Nashville, Tennessee. You see me? And the vibes was okay. But when we realize say, them just want to hide my glory. Them just want to hide what me do. But them can't erase what me do. It done make it mark already. You can just come do what you do. So me and him not really have no vibe. But Boom Boom, just talk your journey. You know what I mean? And just talk truth. Vegas
What was
now.
it that he said that
Me and Vegas
hold
now.
on.
All right.
Before we get to Vegas, hold on. Before we get to Vegas, what was it that he said that upset you in the first place?
Is
Hotta Ball.
like people just texting down my phone and telling me that, yo, in a year, Boom Boom say, I inbox Uptown Mondays. So me I say, really? Then somebody did a video, a guy named Tattoo did a video and blast it, and then me see it, and you know what I mean? Me really say, I really that him say, so I'm go watch the interview. And him talk some truth yet, but Boom Boom does a pretty up, Him does a pretty up the thing, brother.
Okay. If we're going to be 100% honest, I watched the same interview. That's a let's be honest with Jay Freedom. Okay. And to me, Boom Boom did not say, I did not hear him saying he busts Uptown Mondays. From how he was saying, that's where he's saying he got his strength from. Because when Jay asked him, say, yo, who else was there as giants? What he said was Richie Feelings, Foot to Hype, and your name was the last name that came out of his mouth as one of the giants that was up there, and he was a warm-up guy. So I'm not really sure if it was something that I didn't hear, something I missed, or there's something more, but that's how I seen it.
Yeah, that's how you see it, but 7 different brothers, 7 different, vision and how you see things. Yeah, because what him say, why me really even feel away, him say there wasn't somebody that represent and there at Uptown Mondays as like you call it as a resident DJ, which that's a lie. So that me get out of it. The other guy said him said bust Uptown Mondays, but me never really hear the part about that me get from the story.
All right, so then now we're on the same page because yes, that's what he did say. He said that the giants were there, you included, but they didn't really have a residence, and that's where he came.
Yeah,
that's what I remember him saying.
Yeah, definitely. That me get to.
And that's the part that you didn't like.
Yeah, me never really like that because you know what I mean. Me are the resident. If Witty want to talk the truth, me are the resident. And me tell him say book other selector. And me make foot of them come round there. And Raz and Biggie them, and me tell him the idea there, as me tell him before. So me not hide nobody glory, them do them thing. But me are the resident selector for Uptown Mondays. People know a Hotta Ball bus Uptown Mondays. Yeah, for a while, me there Uptown Mondays, filings cost me. When him see me in the street, can rate me, But he must say, yo, you see which them use you. You see which them goes a boom. And use you and show him know your voice, lock the streets. Him use you for Uptown Mondays, to kill out my thing, hot Mondays. Water ball a through my rage, I mean, I say, that go on.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.